Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Solana from Bitget to Phantom Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Bitget mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, if you don't have an account on Bitget, I will put the link of it down in the description so that you could get some extra joining rewards and bonuses. Now, once you are in your Bitget account, you need to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you need to tap on Spot. Now, in the Spot section, you need to simply search for Solana, and here you will be landed on this page. Now, if you have newly created your account, you need to first verify your identity and you need to first buy some USDT, and then from that USDT, you need to purchase Solana, and then you can proceed with this step. I'm assuming that you already have Solana in your Bitget account, so you can just follow along this video. Now, once you are on this page, you need to tap on the three dots in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and here you will see the withdraw option. So you need to tap on withdraw and now select the on-chain withdrawal option. Now, once you do this, you will be landed on this page where you need to make sure that Solana is selected, but since we have already selected Solana at the first place, that's why it is showing us Solana, but make sure that Solana is selected. In the withdrawal network, you need to just select the Solana network. Sometimes it just take the network originally or automatically, but sometimes it never takes the network. So you need to make sure that you change the network to the Solana network. Once you are sending your Solana from the Bitget account to your Phantom wallet. Now here it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get the address, you need to first of all launch your Phantom wallet, and here you need to just tap on the receive option. Over here you will see the Solana address in the top, so you need to simply copy this address from here, then go back to your Bitget account and paste the address in this withdrawal address section. Afterwards, in the withdrawal amount, you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw, and here you need to make sure that the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.1 Sol. Now, once you have entered all these details, you need to press the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, it will show you the details about this particular transaction. So you need to make sure that your address is correct, your network is correct, and it is Solana. Then once everything is correct, you just have to simply confirm your transaction. After a few minutes, once your transaction is completed and once it is confirmed from the Bitget account of yours, you are going to receive your Solana into your Phantom wallet. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.